Reading Pioneers is proud to present Samsoon and Farewells, written and illustrated by Soonju Kim. Samsoon and Mimi were best friends. Mimi greeted Samsoon with a huge smile each day, wagging her tail. In springtime, Samsoon and Mimi watched their grandmother harvest various plants, suk, dale, nengi, from their garden to make delicious vegetable soup perfect for the sunny weather. On weekends, Grandma stained Samsoon's nails with flower buds. 동숭하고 손톱물 둘리기. In summer, Mimi curiously watched Grandma and Samsoon enjoy delicious yellow melons in their garden. 참외. On weekends, Samsoon and Mimi rode on Grandma's scooter to visit their favorite family beach. In autumn, Grandma baked chestnuts and sweet potatoes in their fireplace. Once winter arrived, Grandma prepared steaming dumplings, mandu, and spicy rice cakes, tteokbokki. One spring afternoon, Samsoon returned from school and could not find Mimi. Samsoon looked inside her bedroom and the road to school, but could not find Mimi anywhere. "Grandma, where is Mimi?" asked Samsoon. "Samsoon, Mimi went back to her family," Grandma replied. As the flowers outside Samsoon's family garden continued to blossom, Samsoon missed Mimi. While cleaning, Samsoon found a drawing of Mimi and Grandma in her bedroom. As she cleaned some more, Samsoon discovered Mimi's blanket inside Grandma's closet. That night, in Samsoon's dream, Samsoon and Mimi collected stones, like the past summers, with Grandma at their favorite beach. The next day, Grandma started preparing Samsoon's favorite food, Korean sushi, kimbap. As Grandma cooked, Samsoon drew her favorite family memories with Mimi. Samsoon turned towards Grandma with pained eyes. "Grandma, how many more nights will I have to sleep to meet Mimi again? Will it be 10 nights?" Grandma hugged Samsoon and pointed to the cloudy sky outside their bedroom window. "Samsoon, do not be in pain. There will be many more departures in your life, just like your departure with Mimi. Rather than seeing each departure as permanent goodbyes, treat them as natural farewells." "Look at the clouds!" exclaimed Grandma. "The clouds say hello and goodbye to each plant, tree, and bird while moving forward gracefully. Just like our clouds, we encounter each unique Farewell, gracefully. Now, let's go to the beach. Grandma concluded cheerfully. Thank you, pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Samsoon and Farewells by Soonju Kim. I first want to apologize for my Korean pronunciation as I'm not a native Korean speaker. But I really enjoyed reading this book because of the inclusion of Korean food and culture. Soonju's artistic style reminds me of traditional Korean watercolor painting, and having the young girl use such a traditional name of Samsoon really makes this feel Korean when reading. If you enjoyed this book, please support Soonju Kim by checking out Amazon for other reviews and the opportunity to purchase this book for your family or friends. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below. You can also check out her website, soonjukim.com, to see more of her illustrations and fantastic stories. I am very thankful for this opportunity to read Soonju's children's book with you today. Overcoming obstacles and saying farewell can be difficult to grasp, but I believe the help of this book can make those life events easier to handle. If you have a book you'd like to be read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this wraps up today's video. While waiting for the next story, remember to visit soonjukim.com to support the author and check back here for more read-alouds and children's book recommendations. Thanks again, readers, for joining us, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!